Hey guys, how's it going? Did you miss me? I just wanted to let you know that I'm alive and well. I'm doing good. I'm coming back finally back from Hometime. Took a little vacation. Had a little family time and friends time, all that good stuff. I'm ready to get back on the road, and I got some new cool things coming to the channel. Namely, I'm going to be doing a lot more. Well, I don't know about a lot more, but I'll be doing definitely more than what I have done in the past of POV driving videos and POV videos in general. I got myself a new camera. It's a GoPro, but it's not a GoPro. I like to call it a semi-pro. But it does everything like a GoPro would, and it fits a lot easier on my head. It's not as heavy as putting a cell phone on my head. Cell phone just kind of weighs it a little bit more, and it's not as doesn't let me have a lot of flexibility. But the camera's about that big. It's a lot smaller, and so I'll be able to do a lot more point of view videos with it. And so I've already recorded some on this first drive, and so I'll be putting those out pretty soon. The only thing is there is a little bit of a problem that I'm dealing with right now that might delay my editing and my uploading of the videos, is that I don't have a laptop right now. My laptop's in getting serviced. Right now the HDMI port on it broke, and it's kind of a problem because I like to watch movies with it, and being able to do editing on my monitor is a lot easier than doing it on the laptop. And without being able to do that, it kind of sucks. So I went ahead and sent it in, and obviously didn't get it back before I left to go back to work. So I'm without a laptop. So I'll be doing, for now, at least until I go back home again and get my laptop back, I'll be doing a lot of my editing, pretty much all of my editing right now. I'll be doing it on my phone. I'm going to be using Wondershare. I use Wondershare Filmora on my laptop. It's probably the best editing software I've ever used for the price that I got it for on my laptop. Of course, there's all the big ones like Sony Vegas and not Photoshop, but Adobe Premiere. Those, you have to pay a lot of money to use those. But with Filmora, I found a pretty good deal on it. I think I got it for like $75, and it's a lifetime license on the laptop, right? And I've been using it. It's what I use to edit all my videos, and it comes with a lot of features that come with the program, and then there are some other features that are pay to use, where you have to upgrade like to a pro plan, monthly plan, to get like real pro features and all that. But up until this point, all the videos that you've been watching that I've been editing with Filmora, I haven't paid an extra dime other than what I paid for the license. So I think it's pretty good. So I tried out the mobile one, because they have a mobile app, right? And the mobile app doesn't come with the license that you bought on the laptop one. You have to buy the mobile license. But even the mobile license is $34 for the mobile license, which I thought was pretty good. And I tried it out, and it's pretty much got almost all the features that the PC version has on the cell phone, on the mobile app. And I was pretty impressed with it. And so for now, that's how I'm going to have to be editing those videos. So although I will be able to edit them, it's going to be a little bit harder. It's a lot easier for me to click and drop and whatnot and all that. So it's going to be a little bit harder, touching the phone and having to edit that way. So forgive me if it takes me a little bit longer to upload things like videos like that require me to have to go in and edit scenes and stuff like that. And forgive me if once I upload them, if the editing's a little off, or it doesn't seem as fluid as I have been doing in the past. Just gonna have to live with it for now. I'm gonna try to do my best on that, but I just wanted to give you all the heads up in case you're like, man, this guy just really like went downhill. He doesn't care about his editing at all anymore. That's not the case. It's just I'm laptopless right now for a little while, but I'm still going to be trying to put out content as I'm out here. I'm still here. I'm still driving. I'm still loving what I do. I'm going on 9 months with CFI, so I think that's pretty freaking crazy that in a couple of days it'll be 9 months since I joined CFI. It's just pretty nuts to think about, if I'm being honest. But yeah, guys, so I'll be trying to do a live stream to kind of circumvent maybe not the frequent amount of uploads that I do right now because of my editing situation. So I'll be trying to do a little bit more live streams. So hopefully this weekend, look out for a live stream that I'll be scheduling. Depends on these loads that I get, but I'm gonna try to do at least one this weekend. But yeah, look out for that, guys. But back out on the road, gonna enjoy my time out here as usual. Feel free though to leave any questions or anything in the comments, anything you might want to see. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot more point of view videos. It's what people seem to like, and so I'm going to go ahead and start doing them myself. If there's any kind of other point of view videos or anything that you feel like you might want to see me do, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can get notifications anytime I drop anything on the channel. But all right, guys, y'all have a good night, okay? We'll see y'all soon.